What's up guys, and welcome to another one of our videos. In today's video we're going to be talking about the Apple Airpod 2. We're going to go over some of the rumors about the device, what it's going to look like, how much it may cost, when it's going to come out, and what's going to be the differences between the new AirPods and the old ones. So stick around, let's get started with the video. Now, if you're finding us for the first time, on this channel we like to discuss technology in a way that everybody can understand by going over the three main things that you should really care about: what it is, what it does, and is it worth your money? If you enjoy videos like that, go ahead and support the channel by hitting that subscribe button down below, and also sharing your thoughts, comments, and any questions you may have in the comment section down below the video as well. We'll be glad to answer them all. Now, let's talk about the AirPod 2. So now I'll preface this by saying that I'm somebody that really like headphones. I'm a headphone connoisseur. I like collecting them. I like using them for some really weird reason. And I mean, I really like headphones. Don't judge me. Now, even so, I was never very keen on the way that the Apple AirPods were designed. To me, the design was kind of off. It just kind of hung in your ear very awkwardly, and it felt like something that would fall out of your ears if you were to do any kind of rigorous activities. And I also kind of did test that out. If you can check out some of the videos we did on the Apple AirPods, I'll link those up above and down below in the description of this video. We broke the AirPods down. We went into some of their features and benefits and troubleshooting as well. You can check those videos out, but I did find that the design of the AirPods weren't really conducive of working out or any kind of rigorous activities. My ears are kind of big, so they didn't stay very snugly in my ears. So that's one of the things I'm hoping that the new AirPods will address, is kind of the design of it and fitting into the different sizes of ears that exist in the world. What I'm hearing though is that the design is going to be very close to what the current AirPod design is, so I'm losing hope that Apple is going to make any kind of radical changes or radical design changes when it comes to the AirPod 2. Now let's discuss something else that is really important, and that's going to be price. So the current price of the AirPods is about $160. That's for the current generation AirPods. What I'm hearing is that Apple's going to be releasing a tiered kind of product when it comes to the new AirPod 2s. So they're going to have a lower tiered one and a higher tiered one. And the lower tier is probably going to have all those standardized upgrades that you would expect from a new version of the Apple AirPod. So things like wireless charging in some shape or form, a better battery, and also just a better sound quality overall. Those things I think will be evenly dispersed of the two tiers that are available, but I think the higher tiered one, they're going to include some like noise cancellation features, and they're also going to include some water resistant features. I think that's something that everybody kind of wants. If they do go with the tiered feature, I think that's a bad idea. I mean, to kind of include everything in one upgrade with one price point is something that I think most customers would love. But if they do go with the tiered feature, you're probably going to look for a split in the new features that are coming to the AirPod 2. Release date is probably going to be sometime in the middle of 2019, towards the end of 2019. Apple does have an event coming up around March 25th this year, but that's probably going to be more geared towards their streaming Apple TV service. So I don't think the AirPods are going to get any kind of airplay in that particular event. They're probably going to wait until later on in the next couple of months to unveil it. Now, my 2 cents on it, again, is there's a lot of choices for wireless headphones that are out. I think Apple kind of has this community of when they release something, there are people that are just going to buy it because it's an Apple product and they are in the Apple ecosystem. They are in that ecosystem that everything kind of peers up together really easily, and Apple does a good job of making sure all their technologies communicate with each other in a easy, effective way. That way somebody who has an iPhone or an iPad is willing to just go buy an AirPod because you open the case up, it automatically pairs with your iPhone and you're ready to go. I do though think they should take some chances on not only the design but also improving the battery life of it and making sure that, again, it fits across the different ears and ear shapes that are available in the world. It just didn't work for me, so I'm hoping definitely that the AirPods, not a radical change, but some kind of change that will make it more accommodating for people like me and people who use Android phones. I wouldn't mind buying the AirPods if they worked well with Android phones or if they suited everything that I would do normally with my headphones. Another rumor that's going around is that the new AirPods are probably going to support some hands-free voice Siri type assistant commands that you can do directly from the AirPods themselves. And also read that they're going to be probably featuring some kind of health tracking information that will work with your Apple Watch and your iPhone in conjunction with the Apple ecosystem to provide some health tracking information when you're working out or just going along your day-to-day activities. So that actually does sound pretty cool, and I can't wait for them to kind of just go deeper into what the different features and benefits are going to be between the new AirPods and the older ones. So in conclusion, the AirPods are probably going to look exactly the same, but with some different features, and there may be different tiers or price levels of AirPods coming out. We're pretty sure that, all tiers are going to have a better battery life, some form of wireless charging, and also some improvement in the way the sound quality is. If you're looking for water resistant features and also maybe something of some noise cancellation features that may be available in the higher tiered ones. Only time will tell when Apple kind of gives this event. We're going to see how much of this is right, how much of this is wrong. I'm probably still in the camp of these things just don't look like they would suit my needs, but who knows, when they come out with it, that may change as time goes on. Let me know if you guys are interested or if you guys currently own a pair of the Apple AirPods. Let me know how they're working out for you. Let me know if you're interested in purchasing the AirPods too, or if these things really just don't suit your needs either. Please share all those thoughts, comments, and any questions you have in the comment section below the video. Also, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. It definitely does help. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video, and until next time, peace out.